Ever wonder how you learn to be a part of society? Well then, welcome to the fascinating world of socialization. It's your lucky day. I'm going to explain all about it. Socialization is the process by which individuals learn and adopt the norms, values, behaviors, and skills of their society, shaping who we are as social beings. In sociology, it's a core concept, essential for understanding human behavior and societal structure. Let's begin by exploring the two main types of socialization, primary and secondary. Primary socialization occurs in childhood, primarily within the family. Imagine a child learning to say please and thank you at the dinner table. Secondary socialization happens later in life through institutions like schools and workplaces. Think about a teenager adapting to peer pressures in high school. Several agents play a pivotal role in this process: family, peers, schools, media, and religion, to name a few. Families are usually our first contact point, instilling basic norms and values. Schools teach us discipline and punctuality, while peers introduce us to social norms like fashion trends. Media, with its portrayal of beauty standards and lifestyles, influences our perceptions. Key figures like George Herbert Mead and Charles Cooley explored socialization deeply. Mead's theory of symbolic interactionism emphasizes the role of symbols and language in developing the self. Cooley's concept of the looking-glass self suggests we develop our self-image based on how we think others view us. How about resocialization? Well, it's a process of learning new norms and values, often in total institutions like the military or prison, which systematically strip previous roles and replace them with new ones. Consider military boot camps where recruits learn a new identity. Now you know what socialization is and how you yourself have gone through the process. In recap, socialization is crucial in shaping individuals, with various agents like family and media contributing to this lifelong process. Reflect on your own socialization journey and how it influences your behavior. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Sociology Made Simple. Share this video with curious friends to help broaden our community and improve future content.